Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 24th, 1920. God created man so that he might keep him company. Continuing in my usual state, I was uniting myself with Jesus, praying him not to leave me alone and to come to keep me company. And he, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, if you knew how I desire, long for, love the company of the creature. So much that if in creating man I said, 'It is not good for man to be alone. Let us make another creature who may resemble him and keep him company, so that one may form the delight of the other.' These same words I spoke to my love before creating man. I do not want to be alone, but I want the creature in my company. I want to create him in order to amuse myself with him, to share with him all my contentments. With his company I will pour myself out in love. This is why I made him in my likeness, and as his intelligence thinks of me is occupied with me, so he keeps company with my wisdom, and as my thoughts keep company with his, we amuse ourselves together. If his gaze looks at me and at created things in order to love me, I feel the company of his gaze. If his tongue prays, teaches what is good, I feel the company of his voice. If his heart loves me, I feel the company in my love, and so with all the rest. But if instead he does the opposite, I feel lonely and like a destitute king. But alas, how many leave me alone and neglect me?"
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.